Hello, welcome everyone. Today we will understand what is a bot service in Azure and how to create it. For this one, I am going to my Azure portal and we can see if you search for bot services, we can get that blade, bot services blade. In that, we can create a bot service. So there are so many third-party bot services are available here. You can see in the marketplace very popular bot services are available. So we can create our own Azure native bot service. So if you go and check for Azure bot, we will be getting the bot service. So if I click the create button means so it lead me to this creation of my Azure bot. So I have to give a bot name, so I am just giving bot 2022 and the resource group we have to select, and I have this resource group. I'm selecting it, and the plan we have to select. So there are two plans available. One is free and other one is standard type. So if he has choosing free plan means it will be having the messages, premium messages service, and also it will be having bot creation tools also and free standard channels. If you go for standard means we can get 99.9 premium messages SLA, meaning that the sent and received messages we will get the confirmation. So we can select the free service also. If you want to go with the premium service, there could be a cost of 36 rupees, Indian rupees for 1000 messages. So which is our requirement. Accordingly we can select our plan. For this demo I am selecting the free service. So and we have to select the Microsoft app ID, and if you have any app already registered, so you can use this app registration button, or we can ask Microsoft to create one app ID for our bot service. So if you click review and create, the bot will be created. I have created one bot like this. If you can see bot 2021, which is created as same as we created like this. So you can see the bot profile and configuration, channels, everything, pricing. We can integrate our services using this bot facility which is available in Azure. So let us see some more concept how to create a Azure Health bot and all. So mainly the aim of our bot is to create to avoid the human interaction, like repetitive task, like if you are booking one dinner table for a restaurant, or if you are if we suppose say Acast Cloud, if you want to have a course details, so the bot which is integrated with the website, company website, they will provide automated scripts, answer scripts for our frequently asked questions, so which will literally reduce the human interaction, and the consumer experience also will be high due to the 24/7 service. So these kind of repetitive tasks can be used in health services also. So let us see how to use and how to create it in our upcoming services. Thanks for watching.